Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the audio settings on Red Dead Redemption 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Red Dead Redemption 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, from the main menu, you will directly see the settings option. Just tap on the appropriate settings option button, or you can click on it as well if you are on PC. Now from the settings page, just tap on audio and you will have various different audio settings parameter. Now the first option is for the sound volume, which is for the sound effects. Underneath this is the score volume, which is the music. And then there is the dialogue balance button. You also have the option to choose your output mode from stereo, headphones, as well as surround sound. Now if you face any audio latency, such as the spoken word and the visuals not syncing up, then you can increase the latency and this will fix this issue. Now underneath this, you have the options to enable or disable voice chat. If you enable this, you can change the volume levels for voice chat as well as microphone volume. You can increase the sensitivity if you wish as well, and you may also choose the input device that you wish to use. You can turn on or turn off microphone based on whether you are using it or not. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.